Alright, so in the previous video, I highlighted this right here for our domain or range. We said the domain is all the x values involved in the function, and the range is all the y values involved in the function. But I wanted to clarify, I did highlight something incorrectly. So you can take a look at the domain specifically in this mess up here. The domain in this situation really only travels. Let me go ahead and erase what I have here in pink first. And the domain only is traveling from this -4 right here all the way over to the 5. So I think originally I had the -5 highlighted also. This go around, correcting the mistake. It's just going from -4 to 5, and that's actually how we're going to go ahead and write our domain. We're going to use inequalities here to write our notation. So in this situation, our domain we can write out as going from -4 all the way to +5. So we would say that out loud as -4 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5. That's our domain for the situation. That's all of the x values that are included in this function. The range, the last time I did this was actually correct in terms of what I highlighted. All right, but what would we talk about that? So first and foremost, our range is all our y values. So when we write this out and we describe this algebraically speaking, we would be using a y and not the letter x like we do for domain. So here the range, we see the lowest point on this graph. The y value is -2. It goes all the way up to a 4. -2 less than or equal to y this time is less than or equal to 4. All right, so we're able to see that. We know based off of that information, this spot right here would have our maximum. Okay, our maximum there would be 4, and it would be at the location x is equal to -1. And our minimum in this scenario would be down here where the y value is -2, and that occurs when x is equal to -4. But again, clearing up that mistake I had in the previous video, the domain is going from -4 to 5, and our range is going from -2 all the way up to 4.